Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I go from this to this. So guys, that look was so beautiful, awesome. This hair is giving. Like, this hair was sent to me by this company called Myfirstwig. As you can see, this is how it came in this cute little pink bag, and this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. And today I'm going to be doing a leave out, no leave out style. You know why I call this style leave out, no leave out is because even though it is a leave out style, I mean leaving your hair out, a little bit of your hair, it still seems like that is your natural hair. That is why I say this style is a leave out, no leave out, because I mean after I was done installing these, it was like it was not a wig, it was like my natural hair. So this wig is just so cute, and it came with some accessories, these very cute accessories, yeah, to style your hair, to help you style your hair with. And guys, this is my protective hairstyle. I just did a mini braid, and this is the leave out little bit of my hair I left out. So I'm just going to get it out of the way, and I'm going to cut this. I don't know why this is here, but I think you have to cut it before you install the wig on your head. So I just cut it out, and then I'm installing this wig. And this is really simple because guys, this installation can literally take you like 5 minutes. Like if you leave your hair out, I mean like me, I'm going to be wearing this wig throughout the week. And what I'm going to do is when I take off the wig, I just braid or twist the leave out section, and then I just put on my hair bonnet, and then I'm just going to sleep, and then the next day I'm just going to, you know, put on the wig, and then I unravel the twist out or the braids, and then I just comb everything, and then, you know, lay it down. And yeah, so I'm going to spritz a little bit of water because my hair was a little bit dry. So I'm going to spritz a little bit of water, and then I'm going to blow dry the hair, because this wig is like our blow dry natural hair. So I'm going to blow dry the part which I left, I mean the leave out, my natural hair. I'm going to blow dry it for it to mimic or to look like the wig. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing, as you can see. And then I'm going to be using this hot comb to just make sure everything is nice and smooth. And guys, I forgot to put heat protectant. It was after when I was done doing all of this, and then I remember I haven't put heat protectant. Then I went ahead to put the heat protectant, which did not make sense, but you know, I just wanted, I don't know. So what I did after was that I had to blow dry, you know, I had to stretch the wig, you know, just, you know, make it to look flawless and stretched. And I just ran my blow dry comb all over the wig, and yeah, I'm done. Then I'm just going to do a middle part, and then you see what this looks like. And I'll be putting every link in the description box down below of this video, where you can go ahead to purchase this wig. And they have a lot of sales going on right now. And guys, I also have a discount code, so you can use the discount code to get some, you know, some coins, you know, during your purchase. So I'm just going to be using these wax, just apply a little bit, you know, so the hair can lay down, you know, flat. I've never done this before, but I just said I should try it today. Yeah, so as you can see, look at what it looks like. Like, tell me, everyone is going to be like, oh my gosh, your hair is so long, but this is not your real hair. Of course, some people have hair like this. But if you want to, I mean, see what your hair will look like if you achieve this hair length goal or this hair goal, this wig is perfect. You can just buy it and then you just see how cute you're going to look like when your hair goes this long. As you can see, I'm looking cute even though my hair is not as long. I don't know if my hair is, no, I'm not sure. So this is me putting heat protectant after selling after the market. Oh yeah, so just apply everything. And also the heat protectant has it is like oil base, so it's just going to make the wig to, you know, add some sheen to the wig. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. I just so much love this wig. And my first wig, they make a lot of beautiful wigs, especially for those of you who are new into the wig game. You don't need to glue wigs and stuff like that. They make really nice and affordable wigs for beginners. And you can also get other wigs like straight wigs, curly wigs. This is the second time I'm reviewing hair from their company, and it is really cute and amazing. I just so much love it. So guys, thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Have a blessed day.
Selección, no he nacido para ser mica ni para ser segunda opción. Tengo llena la fila, baby, son mejor.